Assalamualaikum. My name is Fatin Zaki, and today I will be presenting my project entitled DG-Yong, an interactive multimedia application for exploring Malaysia's Mak heritage. DG-Yong is an interactive multimedia application developed to introduce users to Malaysia's Mak heritage through an engaging digital platform. The application combines graphic, animation, audio, and interactive quiz to provide a more enjoyable and interactive learning experience. Unlike traditional learning materials, DG-Yong allows users to explore Mak in a simple and user-friendly way while supporting the digital preservation of Malaysia's cultural heritage. Mak is one of Malaysia's oldest traditional performing arts, combining acting, storytelling, dance, music, and ritual performance. In 2005, UNESCO recognized Mak as a masterpiece of the oral and intangible heritage of humanity. However, awareness of Mak has gradually declined, especially among younger generations. Most learning resources are text-based, make them less engaging for today's digital users. In addition, there are a few interactive multimedia applications dedicated to introducing Mak. Therefore, DG-Yong was developed to preserve Mak digitally, increase public awareness, and provide an engaging platform for users to explore its history, characters, story, songs, and musical instruments. DG-Yong is an interactive multimedia application designed to make learning about Mak simple, engaging, and interactive. The application was developed using Adobe Animate 2024 with ActionScript 3.0, providing users with a user-friendly interface and interactive multimedia content. It is suitable for students, educators, cultural enthusiasts, and members of public who are interested in learning more about Malaysia's cultural heritage. DG-Yong consists of 6 main modules. The first module is about Mak which provides an introduction to the history and cultural background of Mak. The second module is characters, where users can learn about the main characters. The third module is stories, which introduce several traditional Mak stories. The fourth module is songs, allowing users to explore traditional Mak songs. Next is the musical instrument module, where users can learn about the traditional instrument used during Mak performance. Finally, the interactive quiz helps users test their understanding through time question, score calculation, progress indicator, and intimate feedback. Overall application provides simple navigation together with interactive graphics and audio to create a more engaging user experience. Now, let me demonstrate how DG-Yong works. First is the application begins with the start page where users are introduced to the application before entering the main menu. From the main menu, users can easily access the 6 available modules. First, the About Mak module.
Mak is an ancient theater form from the Malay communities of Kelantan, Malaysia.
Next, the Characters module.
Pak Yong is the principal male character in Mak Yong and usually represents a king or ruler.
Mak is the principal female character and is often portrayed as a queen or royal consort.
Paran Muda is the younger companion who assists Paran Tua and the royal characters. Paran Tua is the senior attendant and trusted advisor to the king or prince.
Inang is a female palace attendant who serves queens and princesses.
Users can then proceed to the Stories module.
Dewa Muda is the most famous and important story in the Makyong repertoire. Anak Raja Gondang tells the story of a young prince whose curiosity and adventurous spirit lead him on a remarkable journey. Dewa Pachal is one of the sacred stories associated with the spiritual and healing traditions of Makyong. Dewa Indera centers on the adventures of two royal brothers, Dewa Indera and Indera Dewa. Raja Tangkai Hadi tells the story of a king whose life becomes entangled in love, deception, and family conflict.
Then, the musical instruments module.
The rebab is a traditional bowed string instrument and is considered the most important instrument in Makyong performances. The gendang ibu dan anak refers to a pair of traditional drums used together in Makyong music. The tetawak is a pair of large hanging gongs that produce deep, resonant sounds. The kisi is a small percussion instrument made of two metal plates that are struck together to produce a sharp, high-pitched sound. The chenang is a set of small knobbed gongs arranged horizontally and played with a pair of mallets.
Next, the sounds module. Finally, users can access the quiz module. DG-Yong supports the digital preservation of Malaysia's Melayu heritage by transforming traditional cultural knowledge into an interactive multimedia experience. The application also encourages greater awareness and appreciation of Melayu, particularly among younger generation. In addition, DG-Yong can be used by schools, universities, museums, and cultural exhibitions as an educational resource. This project also supports the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, especially SDG 4, which is quality education, and SDG 11, which is sustainable cities and communities, by promoting cultural education and preserving intangible cultural heritage through technology. In conclusion, DG-Yong demonstrates how interactive multimedia technology can help preserve and promote Malaysia's cultural heritage. By integrating graphic, animation, audio, and interactive activities, The application provides a more engaging way for users to explore and appreciate Mak Yun.